Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x800701b1, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to run a command in command prompt. So for that we need to search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator and click on yes. There we will enter the command bc edit space /v and press enter. The second thing we need to do is we need to update the disk driver. So we will look for device manager, right click on the start button, device manager, and we will look for the disk drives, expand it, and we will click on this disk drive and we will click on update driver. The last thing we need to do is run another command on command prompt. So look in the search bar for command prompt, right click, run as admin, and we will enter the command chkdsk space /f space /r, press enter. Then we'll press Y and press enter, wait for the scan to finish and then restart your system by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button and clicking on restart. Once this is done, you should no longer face this error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.